What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Big Money Mindset 2 Rocketfuel channel. In today's video, once again, we're going to be covering the NIO stock. We're going to be taking a look at some articles. We're going to be taking a look at the stock chart. I'm going to be giving you guys some bullish price predictions, but most importantly, we're going to be going over why NIO is an amazing opportunity for the years to come. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. I'm going to show you guys some Rocketfuel options that my members have been doing week in and week out. There's so much opportunity inside of the Patreon along with NIO. I go over multiple call options every Sunday before the market opens on a Monday. Be sure to read the link in bio and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on the NIO stock and the direction that they're headed. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily on all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, before we get into the video, I just want you guys to see, with inauguration over, it looks like the market is headed in the right direction. As you can see today, had a very solid gain of 4%, nearly $2,400. The market closes in 4 minutes. I just want you guys to see a couple of options that I just recently played. I'll pop up on the screen. We had a NIO option that we were playing. I did list this inside of the Patreon to all of the members. Tons and tons of people had over 500% gains, as you can see right here. This is a 10x option that we were playing. Also, I'll show you guys some reviews on how the members were doing. You can take a look right here. I'll keep it up on the screen for a moment. We have tons and tons of options profiting, hundreds and hundreds of percents. We do this month in and month out. I just want you guys to see, the amazing opportunity that we have inside of the Patreon. I'm playing over, 10 companies right now with different option calls. So be sure to take a look at the link in bio and read up on the summary and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. All right, guys, we see right now the NIO stock is about to finish right around that $57 range. You need to understand this is off nearly $10, from the $67 high last week, during NIO day. As you can see right here, I have over 500 shares of NIO, a $22 average cost. I have more NIO inside of other portfolios, guys, $10 cost average, $50 cost average. So I continuously buy NIO, when I see opportunities on dips and pullbacks. I feel like entering NIO on call options right now is a great opportunity, especially the ones that I've been recommending, May and further, April, May and further. Those are amazing call options. I'm recommending right now anywhere from that $60 to $65 strike price. So just know that there's nothing to be worried about right now. This is just a post NIO day sell-off. This is very typical. There's a lot of day traders still in the NIO stock. But right now, we got an $18,000 gain just inside of the Robinhood portfolio. There's a lot of upside with NIO in the future. This is nothing to be worried about, on the pullback. We're going to take a look into some NIO articles and to see what's going on right now. And as we can see, the market just closed right now as I was filming this video. Guys, as you can see with my NIO thumbnail, the facility is getting into the works very fast. As you can see with this brand new article, NIO's second plant enters construction bidding phase. This is the news that we've been waiting for, guys. Plenty of people for months in and months out, we're wondering if NIO is going to go, with a bigger plant, another plant. It looks like they're adding on to their additional plant, guys. This is exactly what we've been looking for sales to ramp up to hit more and more records for the entire 2021. This could not be a better time frame of this plant entering construction phase right now, guys. Ton of upside with the sales in the future. This is very exciting news. We just hit 7,000 last month. I'm very excited for January sales to come out. I really think they hit another record. Let's take a look into this article to see what's going on with this factory. Construction at NIO's second plant has entered the construction bidding stage. Clearing the land for the plant was issued. The announcement shows that the estimated contract price of the project is about 350 million rupees, which is equivalent to 54 million US dollars, with a planned construction period of 370 calendar days. We should be seeing this plant, completed by New Year's next year. Very exciting time, guys. Big things take, a little bit of time to go into the works, but I still think that the factory that they're in, it has a max capacity of nearly 10,000 vehicles from what I've read on previous articles in the past. So don't think that the 7,000 mark is the top out on the NIO, production volume. It can get to the 10,000 range from what I've been reading. So there's still a ton of upside for continuous records to happen, for the next couple of months. So just stay tuned, guys. Be ready for those January sales. Very exciting. It has planned construction area of about 274,800 square meters. It includes an area of 255,760 square meters for the renovation of the punching and welding combined plant, final assembly workshop and quality center, and a former passenger car plant, and 19,040 square meters for the new material preparation room and related supporting auxiliary facilities. NIO's cars are currently produced at a manufacturing base jointly built by the company and JAC, which started construction in October 2016 and will be officially opened in the second half of 2017. The Hefei Advanced Manufacturing Base currently has more than 2,000 JAC selected technicians and over 200 engineers from NIO's manufacturing, quality, supply management, and R&D fields based at different world-renowned automakers such as Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW. The Hefei Advanced Manufacturing Base uses an order-based production system with an annual capacity of 100,000 smart, pure electrical vehicles planned in 2 shifts. If you have been following NIO, the past couple of months, you know that, they've been hitting record after record, month in and month out. They just came off of a high of 7,000 new vehicles in December, the 5th consecutive month with a record number of deliveries in a single month. 43,728 units of NIO 2020 were delivered for the year, an increase of 112% year on year, guys. We know that right now, at the 7,000 production volume, they're averaging around 84,000 units. So that's already putting them at another 100% year over year, increase. It's just amazing growth that we're seeing with NIO. And you need to understand that this factory in place is going to set the bar, for, China electrical vehicles for the ongoing years because NIO is backed by the government, guys. They are pushing heavily for NIO to be, a worldwide consumer in the China market. And just understand that the market in China is nearly 2.3 billion, way more massive compared to the US market. It's just a way larger opportunity, and you have to understand, Tesla has been dominating the US market, but they're going to have their work cut out for them with NIO ramping up in the future, guys. NIO has already said in multiple videos that they do not plan on price cutting their vehicles because, of the quality of customer service. We also know that the NIO ET7 is going to be mass marketed starting in 2022, from what the CEO has been saying. And, you need to realize that the GDP in China is 14.34 trillion. It's a massive market out there just waiting to be attacked with electrical vehicles for the next 5 years to come. You're still in at a very early time frame, in that $50, $60 range. I'm still buying every time I have an opportunity on those dips, guys. I just bought, at that $56 range, just a week ago on that pullback. So I'm continuously buying NIO. I'm adding for the long term. That's what it's all about, guys. I do play amazing call options that have amazing profitability in the short term, 4 to 6 months. But I'm also looking to exercise a couple of those calls for the long term. So it's a win-win, short and long term as well. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. I want you guys to know that the NIO factory is getting built very quickly. It's going to be an amazing opportunity for the growth of NIO, for the ongoing years. This is very exciting times. I'm buying the dips. You should buy the dips as well. And once again, be sure to read the link in the bio. Read up on the summary with the Patreon and see if it's a good fit for you. Call options are some serious rocket fuel when you can get that timing right. That's what it's all about, timing these options accordingly, and we do it very well inside of the Patreon. Once again, this is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.